All right, so let's unpack this. We've got the technical sources you shared on the PureLink HDG PRO.
The 4K 60 signal generator and analyzer.
Exactly. And if you've ever, wrestled with a high-end install, a big home theater, a corporate video wall,
Yeah.
you know that signal verification, especially with 4K and HDR, is just, it's the biggest headache on a job site.
It truly is. So I think our mission here is to figure out why this specific tool is so essential for pro integrators.
The Swiss Army knife, as they call it.
Right, because it's built to certify compliance with HDMI 2.0 and, crucially, HDCP 2.2, the copy protection. If you can't prove that Handshake is working, the whole system just fails.
That's the core of it. So let's talk power. This is an HDMI 2.0 generator that supports what? A massive 18 gigabits per second of bandwidth. For the integrator listening, what does that huge number actually let them guarantee?
It means you can prove you're avoiding compression. That 18 GBps is like the golden ticket. It handles uncompressed video 4K at 60 Hz with full 4.4.4 chroma.
So no more guessing games about color fidelity.
None. You can guarantee the signal's perfect before it even hits the switcher. It can even handle really demanding formats like 4K 60, 4.2.0, but with deep 16-bit color.
That flexibility is key. You're always dealing with different sources, different displays.
Exactly.
And speaking of being out in the field, this thing is built for that, right? For being mobile.
Absolutely. I mean, nobody wants to be dangling off a ladder searching for an outlet. It's got a nice 4.3-inch touchscreen, and the big thing is the rechargeable battery.
How long does that last?
Up to 4 hours. So you can run a full certification right at the display, no power cord needed. But for the control room, it still has a standard 19-inch rack mount design.
Okay, that covers the raw power. But great power is one thing. This device costs nearly $5,000.
It's an investment for sure.
So how does it actually help an installer save time? How does it find a problem that a cheaper analyzer might miss?
Well, the magic is in its dual nature. It's both an HDR pattern generator and a signal analyzer.
At the same time?
Yes. It can inject a known perfect signal into the system. You can even upload your own custom patterns, up to 2 gigs worth.
Wow.
And then it analyzes what comes back. So this isn't just detection, it's diagnosis.
So what are the key diagnostic functions that, cut through the misery of chasing those phantom failures?
You get the full suite. First, the HDCP test. It automates that frustrating digital handshake, the one that just makes the screen go black.
Right.
It lets you pinpoint which device is dropping the ball. Then there's the EDI test to make sure the source and display are actually communicating their capabilities correctly.
That generation and analysis loop sounds like the real time saver. What about this pass-through mode?
The video pass-through mode is it's essentially an instant diagnostic loop. It lets you analyze the raw data stream while you're also watching the video content.
Ah, okay. So you can see an artifact appear at the exact moment the data stream shows an error.
Precisely. It also has a digital audio test and even a special scrambling function for signals over 340 millihertz to keep them stable over long runs.
That's the kind of deep technical stuff that separates a good install from a nightmare callback. So integration and longevity.
Pretty straightforward. 2 HDMI Type A connectors. You can control it remotely over a LAN network, and it's TAA compliant.
Which is important for federal and government contracts.
Very. And firmware updates are simple, just done via USB stick.
So to sum it up, the PureLink HDG PRO is a robust, highly specialized tool. It's basically an insurance policy against project delays and signal headaches.
It is. But that price tag, that $4,839.99 MSRP, brings up a really important question for you, the professional integrator listening.
The one?
When is your system, with its long fiber runs, its matrix switchers, when is it so complex that investing in this level of analysis becomes absolutely necessary? Or could you simplify the infrastructure itself to avoid needing such a powerful tool in the first place? That's really the question that defines the modern high-end installation market.